Alright, so we're here in Colonial Beach, Virginia, August 20th, 2022. And this is the 42nd show that the Colonial Beach Street Rods have put on. We've been here for 35 of them. So we want to welcome you to the On the Road with Moondog Motors. We got a whole lot of good, nice, cool, nice, great cars coming for you in the next couple of minutes. Stick around. Here we go.
So please subscribe, give us a like, hit the bell so you know when we have another video coming out.
So, in case you remember, we talked to this guy in Ocean City back in March, and it was a cool story about met his wife at the McDonald's drive-thru. Okay? So here he is.
39 years ago.
39 years.
Give props where props are due.
So now we're in Colonial Beach in August, and I bump into this guy again. I said, I know you, but he's got a little add-on to his story. He's going to tell us about his other Oldsmobile. So you got another Oldsmobile you're working at?
I have a 67 442.
And it was crashed, totaled almost?
It was, the frame was bent in March.
Frame was bent. And that happened right before the show in Ocean City, right?
Yes, it did.
And where are you at with it now? What's going over there now?
The frame is straight.
Street guy?
Yeah.
He is. He gets around as much as we do. So it's great seeing him.
Thank you.
So if you will recall, the missus didn't want to be on camera, but she's so lovely and so nice, we're going to do it anyway.
Well, I will see you in Ocean City in October.
Yeah. friends and fans. Welcome today. Good morning. This is the 42nd annual Colonial Beach, Virginia Hot Rod and Street Rod Show. My buddy John, who is shooting this for us right now, welcomes you also. Just to remind you, he's been here 35 of those 42 years. He's got a special love for this show. It's my first year. I already know why he's got a special love for this show. We're going to show you tonight. You'll love it too. Come on, let's go see.
This is a 69 Chevelle. Got a late model Chevrolet motor in it. So this is a 68 Chevelle, and the guy was telling me that his wife picked out the color, and that's the way it's supposed to go. Pretty neat car. But as you can see, it's got a big block in it.
I'm here with my good buddy John, the director of Moondog Motors. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, Moondog Motors are living, breathing, loving what we do. I'd like to bring your attention to this 31 Ford where my bro John is standing. Yes, that is John's Moondog Motors. 3-inch drop on the roof. John, how you doing this morning?
Every day above ground's a good one.
Yes, that's what I've been told. Want to give us a quick introduction to your car?
31 Ford two-door sedan. Got 3 inches out of the roof. Budnick's wheels. And these Budnick wheels were made special for this car.
Now, how long have you owned it, John?
We got this in 2015. 7 years.
And now, have you done anything personally to this? Have you upgraded it? Have you done any motor work?
Everything.
Everything.
All the bushings were replaced. Wheels and tires were replaced. We put on an Enduro-sign manifold, new carburetor, new water pump, new radiator. All of that. A new wiring harness. Everything. They're never done.
Right. Never finished.
They always need
but
something.
always fun to drive.
They're always dirty. They always are fun to drive.
Oh, and yes, ladies and gentlemen, as you notice, there is a for sale sign here.
That's because it's for sale. Clear Virginia title. We're asking $31,500, but cash makes it negotiable.
Cash is king.
Cash is king.
This is a 66 Studebaker Hawk. '69 Olds 442. '32 Nash. This is also a 1932 Nash with a straight 8. '44 Coupe. '65 Volkswagen Vogue.
Okay, so